Welcome to this video on cloud computing. We'll be taking a deep dive into what cloud computing is. Cloud computing has transformed how companies, from startups to multinational corporations, manage and access their data and software. It's no longer just a technological trend but a core part of modern business strategies. Cloud adoption is skyrocketing because of its ability to cut costs, minimize maintenance, and scale effortlessly by utilizing servers managed by cloud providers. Instead of maintaining on-premises servers, companies now benefit from cloud computing's pay-as-you-go model, which allows them to only pay for the services they use. This is in stark contrast to traditional on-premises servers, where companies still incur costs even when the servers are idle. But what exactly is cloud computing? Cloud computing involves storing and accessing data and applications on remote servers that are hosted on the internet, rather than relying on local hard drives or in-house servers. This technology, also referred to as internet-based computing, provides resources like storage, computing power, and software over the internet to users. The data stored could be anything from files and images to complex applications. Key functions of cloud computing. Cloud computing enables a wide range of operations, such as data storage, backup, and recovery. Users can safely store data and recover it when needed. Software delivery on demand. Applications can be accessed without the need for physical installation. Developing new applications and services. Businesses can rapidly innovate without managing infrastructure. Streaming video and audio contents. Platforms like Netflix and Spotify leverage cloud computing to deliver content seamlessly. How does cloud computing work? At its core, cloud computing simplifies access to computing resources like storage and processing over the internet. Rather than requiring physical hardware, it leverages remote servers hosted online. Let's break down how it functions. Infrastructure. The backbone of cloud computing consists of network servers that store, manage, and process data remotely, offering users flexibility without having to maintain physical hardware. On-demand access. Cloud resources can be accessed whenever needed, and businesses can easily scale up or down based on their requirements without investing in additional hardware. Types of services. Cloud computing provides cost savings, scalability, and accessibility. It reduces the need for capital expenditure, while offering efficiency and flexibility. Virtualization in cloud computing. Virtualization is a key technology in cloud computing that creates virtual instances of physical resources like RAM, CPU, and storage. This allows for the logical separation of physical hardware, making it easier to manage and optimize resources. For instance, a single physical server can host multiple virtual machines (VMs), each operating independently. This helps streamline resource allocation and enhance scalability, allowing cloud providers to offer more cost-effective solutions. Cloud computing's architecture includes three major components. Front-end platforms. This involves user interaction typically through web browsers. These users are known as thin clients. Or applications that offer more robust functionality. In this case, these users are referred to as fat clients. Back-end platforms. The cloud's engine consists of multiple servers for processing and storing data. This back-end is the heart of cloud computing, responsible for running applications, managing storage, and providing computing power. Cloud-based delivery and network. Cloud services are delivered over the internet, intranet, or intercloud, which connects multiple cloud systems. This ensures smooth connectivity and data transfer, providing global access and internal organization communication. Types of cloud computing services. Cloud computing services are generally divided into four categories. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS. This offers virtualized computing resources like virtual machines, storage, and networks. Users have control over the operating system and applications, making IaaS highly flexible. It's a cost-effective solution since companies don't have to invest in physical hardware and can scale resources as needed. Platform as a Service, PaaS. PaaS simplifies application development by abstracting the underlying infrastructure. Developers can focus on writing code while the cloud provider manages the infrastructure, which accelerates development and brings products to market faster. Software as a Service, SaaS. SaaS allows users to access software applications over the internet without the need for installation. The software is fully managed by the cloud provider, and users benefit from automatic updates and lower IT costs. Examples include Gmail and Microsoft 365. Function as a Service, FaaS. FaaS is a cloud computing service model that allows developers to run code in response to events without managing the underlying infrastructure. While it is often associated with event-driven computing, FaaS also supports back-end service logic that executes on demand. This means that developers can focus solely on writing and deploying their functions, as FaaS eliminates the need to manage servers and other infrastructure components entirely. This service is highly scalable and cost-effective because you only pay for the compute resources when your code runs. Cloud deployment models. Businesses can choose between different cloud deployment models based on their needs. Private cloud, ideal for companies that require enhanced security and customization. Resources are dedicated to a single organization, offering greater control. Public cloud, cloud services are offered to multiple users, making it a scalable and cost-effective option. Resources are shared, but data remains isolated. Hybrid cloud combines private and public clouds, allowing businesses to maintain sensitive operations on private clouds while leveraging public clouds for scalability. Cloud hosting. Cloud hosting revolutionized how websites and applications handle traffic. In the past, businesses needed to manage their own servers, which was costly and inefficient. With cloud hosting, companies can automatically scale up or down based on traffic. If demand increases, additional resources are provisioned in real time, ensuring smooth performance without requiring companies to invest in physical infrastructure. Characteristics of cloud computing. The defining features of cloud computing include scalability. Businesses can easily adjust the size and number of their servers based on fluctuating demand, ensuring they only pay for what they need. Cost efficiency. By reducing hardware expenses and energy costs, cloud computing saves businesses money. Equipment maintenance and repairs are also handled by cloud providers. Reliability. Cloud hosting is backed by multiple physical servers, so if one goes down, another takes over without disrupting service. Security. Cloud providers offer robust physical and digital security measures, ensuring that data remains protected. Cloud security. Security is a significant concern with cloud computing, but there are best practices to ensure data safety. Data encryption. This protects data stored in the cloud by making it unreadable to unauthorized users. Access control. Restricting access to sensitive data ensures that only authorized personnel can view or modify information. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. Adding multiple layers of verification helps prevent unauthorized access. Advantages of cloud computing. Cost efficiency. Cloud computing's pay-as-you-go model reduces capital expenditures. Flexibility and scalability. Businesses can scale resources up or down depending on demand. Collaboration. Cloud services enable seamless teamwork across different locations. Automatic updates. The cloud provider takes care of infrastructure maintenance and updates, ensuring businesses always have access to the latest technology. Disadvantages. Security concerns. Storing sensitive data off-site raises significant concerns about data breaches, unauthorized access, and potential loss of control over critical information. Downtime. Cloud services, while generally reliable, are not immune to outages and can experience downtime due to various factors, such as network issues, hardware failures, or maintenance activities. Even brief interruptions can disrupt business operations, affecting productivity and potentially leading to lost revenue. Internet dependency. Cloud services require a stable internet connection, which can be a challenge in areas with poor connectivity. Conclusion. Cloud computing has become an integral part of modern businesses, offering cost savings, scalability, and flexibility. Its pay-as-you-go model and ease of access have made it a favorite among businesses looking to innovate without investing in physical infrastructure. However, it also comes with its challenges, including security concerns and reliance on the internet. Despite these drawbacks, the benefits of cloud computing far outweigh the risks, making it a technology that is here to stay. Please click the link in the description to access this lesson on Motiva Logic Academy Learning Management System, where you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on lab and projects to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore the full catalog of advanced hands-on courses and downloadable resources designed to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Be sure to like, subscribe, share and visit the link in the description. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss the future lessons. Thanks for watching.